Good afternoon. My name is Commissioner Loretta Smith. I'm from Portland, Oregon, and I am the District 2 Commissioner here in Portland, Oregon. And I am so happy to be here so I can promote the Oregon Black Political Convention. It is the best convention that I have ever been to regarding issues that support African Americans in any community. I think it's so important that everyone gets involved into the community on every level of government, state, local, and federal. And what the Oregon Black Political Convention does, it allows you to understand the issues that are going on in your neighborhoods and outside your neighborhood. The key is it's a statewide political convention that focuses on African American issues, protecting our seniors, building infrastructure for our youth, and trying to figure out ways for us to have political, economic, and social power in the state of Oregon. I urge you and I recommend you to attend the 2014 Oregon Black Political Convention.